This is problem number 11 on page 200, and what we have described here is the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 25 meters long. So this is our right triangle. The hypotenuse is 25 meters, and then it says the length of one leg is 10 meters less than twice the other. So if I make one of the legs x, then the other leg is 10 meters less than twice that, so 2x minus 10. So then from there, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve this. So we can say side squared plus other side squared should be equal to hypotenuse squared, if this is a right triangle. So x squared plus, and we recognize that 2x minus 10 quantity squared means 2x minus 10 times 2x minus 10, right, as a factor. So when I multiply that together, I get 4x squared minus 20x minus 20x, so minus 40x plus 100 equals 625. Continuing to simplify, minus 40x, subtracting, I get negative 525, and setting it equal to 0. So I can see I'm going to have two original solutions for x. So I want to factor the 5 out, and that would be 105. And if I can't think of the factors of 105 that are 8 apart from each other, if I just prime factor 105, 2 does not go into it, but if I add up these digits, 1 plus 0 plus 5, I get a 6. So that means that 3 goes into this. And 3 times 3 would be 9. So that's 3 times 35, and 35 is 5 and a 7. So to get a difference of 8 with these factors, I can see if I use the 3 times 5 as a 15 and the 7, that that'll work. So I've got x's here, and I'm going to have a negative 15x and a positive 7x to combine to be the negative 8x in the middle, and a negative 105. So that means my solutions are that x is either negative 7 or positive 15. And I understand that mathematically, if I was to make this negative 7 and this would be negative 24, they would multiply together the sum of those squares, and I would get a positive 25. But obviously I cannot have a negative side length of a triangle, or any negative length. So x is equal to 15 in this case. So this side will be 15, and this side will be 2 times 15 minus 10, or 30 minus 10, or 20. So the answer to this one is that one leg is 15 meters, and the other leg of this is 20 meters. And that is that.